So you keke. Like your board game na near free mono.
There be unshocking me sir. Enye mo bebre sir. Wa utie me analysis am here weekend about the game bia no be hu say. Me enye mo bebre. Man direct Malawi and said da. Utie me analysis
before and no game no. Yeah sure ma sure mo funny.
Yeah mo funny or friendly. So the impression was that you know more bonny the ankenye hu. And you started game na early stages na 7 minutes. Shanta ma go. So we thought now them go for Nancy show for. Yes.
And when they started game na as I go na. The day clear say be show. All of a sudden Malawians are better can. Second half o ma kill game.
Rich, a good question we be sir. You better game no answer na match emre no bi enti ayem free mu. Na me ya die bi. Wala ma no pay. So ati ma no mama tukotoko no. Patro ati won asem. Person me ya ade be special about him. Na me wi am ba Black Queens.
There be any Black Queens come on we.
Obviously dey first.
On za tukotoko on se mo ha.
Okay, Matu ase.
On se team no e konkan no. Of course.
Matu ase ya.
36 players na konkan. Omoko pre-season. Inti fa no tell so.
Matu ase of course.
Na e ba to stories na.
Only problem in here.
Ya ba be di eyen common. Inti person start with Black Queens.
Black Queens, yes.
Anna Malawi for na share come you know. Ami ateka na baako. Na ye pon game no. We say coach chire mu kakra. Because him tia says Malawi for before this competition ya show for
bomb for in a friendly.
Inti say per country bia mo yeah.
Certainly not the Malawians. Ranked 153rd in world football.
First time on the bubble.
First
African Cup of Nations in year. Yentie coach came last.
Matia mean.
Zidiana course untia. Result na ni na
happen. Of course,
yeah.
I felt that we started the game pretty well. We were holding the ball in the team. We were creating some chances. We scored a goal. I think we started to kick the ball a little bit too long in the end of the first half and made it a little bit too easy for us and also for the opponent. Both teams were stretched and was more looking like a ping pong game for a while, and that is just good for the opponent. So we spoke about in halftime to try to control it a little bit more. I think we did it for a while in the second, but in the end we couldn't control it enough and create chances enough. We talked about in the press conference yesterday about that we had less rest days before this game, included some traveling. Of course, you can potentially see that Alice is a good example that I, like you talked about, that I felt that started the game really well, but she couldn't hold up her performance, and probably because she was tired. I mean, she played a couple of days ago, and that it's probably, you need probably 1 day more to get fit, but it's out of our control, and that's just a fact when you are in Group D, that you will always have less days recovery.
Okay, enti amu take him last. I see a starting game here pa, and I never see a share first goal. Now I see a game na drew maybe na dia ba ko hu ni team no say na Mariana break. I see tiredness. Na I see so I said the number of days I had the rest now to compare Malawi for now. Omomunya enough rest at the chain. We are not too sad traveling because of your group in your torso.
Yes,
second into this one. To know they travel every one destination to the other. And to also play a key role and a Mariana Breya. Malawi for to take you over the game on Beshe 8-1. Na already na yebisa say World Cup say you dream na there. I say and also etimi aba ayet na wiye. Na anusienti kem last chechemu kakra ode ema na afi yemfa entoa ayedwumadi no so.
I know there is another opportunity and a chance for us to go through some other games and qualify for the World Cup. That's absolutely correct. But right now, when you're asking me 15 minutes after the game, we went all in. I'm feeling empty right now. Of course, we need to sleep and build up again in one way or another. But right now, it's just a bad feeling.
Okay, and the coach say no board game we are yentimi answer no. Osinya mienu mukweni enra ne da ne rehoe pa. Oso owura me into coaching 20 years ni. Na ose enra the worst feeling I know what no. I say hand ye pa but ni na mu no it's football. Black Queens are 2-1.
Yeah. Rich. Now, cry about coach now, dear, me banner so because coach there may personally moves on your dear or see Janet Quine. Last, no on your dear.
I don't want to J bronze my
but I'll see Janet Quine. Bronze now, can Metro IDB. Say Ghana, offer your last AFCON, Bepim AFCON, yeah, just 2 wins near you. Bronze now, now, can 3 points. The last AFCON, you lose 2 games. Your last game was against Tanzania. Tanzania, you share no. Now I think we lost 1 and drew 1. And against Tanzania, share Tanzania. And they didn't have qualification. Then the quarterfinals was against Algeria, a penalty shootout. So Bekaya. And they qualify. This AFCON, also I call you know. This AFCON, also no. You will need just a game. Then you review. Just a game
against Cape Verde.
Against Cape Verde. And to say offer your last 2 AFCON just 2 wins near. The coach is not good. Why? You beja na kwan. Now make sure mu die ntie beja kwan. But Rachel the menu ahun. Ye be say game na ase no. Malawi for 18 bars ne ba be see ho. Omo free team bars no mu pie no. Na me share omo body language. Me show omo body language clearly. And me catch her me madam say babe.
Emfa.
And conform level of confidence. Me catch my wife. Say na me wife na give them say conform level of confidence no more the a game. Me show the Ghana because so steady ya. Said the almost 20 more. Said the almost sa. O share almost confidence level. I say and you almost Ghana na eba and almost show BB a so almost a novice. So I was like, you think uncommon na me say and now say almost who they say the better almost be an after pressure be any almost so. It's not me showing from 2 perspectives. Timmy can show my body language or my bar pitch and so. And I'm share you body language. And clearly who say Ghana na game na toya so. Obi onim home bi abo say as a game na atoya so. Now, Rich, you say game na say me who Malawi for line up ho. Me who me yam di kan say no ade bi hu. Menim say you'd ask me the entia me who line up me yam say me. Rich, me who Malawi line up na me who say and Josephine Bonsu asemato no. Who the entire America sir? Me show my first 11. They had this lady in there. Yeah, in the picture better so lady now no sporty Jesse number 7 no. Onye. Yeah, in the picture ne be banoma he. Ni di e de asemenyo Simwaka.
Simwaka.
Simwaka. So Jesse number 7 no. Me who lady now am yam say me. When dem am yam say me no. On say omo main striker no Sabina no. Omo last game no 24th minute she got injured and no free. And someone can who study our first 2 matches one who no Malawi game. The reason here one who ne say or 2 kwan or say athlete or 2 make the man or mine no. And to Olympic games no or coin no. Or Kobe or 400 meters or 200 meters or cycle 100 meters and to 200 meters no or could do semi-finals 400 meters and so or grand finale but or coin unfortunately Okoko Rao Bilen and you're disqualifying. And to him so free competition none or buy. So me who say or no and you're not to Josephine Bones position or no. And I'm similar who say and the Josephine Bones that we know say consistently ought me push it forward and support the attack air those crosses no. Yeah, and free no. And annual rate oh share ya. Auto maintain a big time because and who's the dear? No Malawians senior baller. Most of the balls not a honor no modifier. Once a game now starting, now 2 teams now clearly. Now say Obia Barbarella on the wingers. Ghana, for instance, it was Alice Kusi. So here Kusi Bobo in Rapa. Or Jabono. In fact, some who pull out Royano. Your first goal no. Or say a similar one. Maybe the technique called the boy. Or yeah, similar one. And one of our players, I think it was Evelyn Badu, and I say no. Or had they born after a say go now. And from that moment, no, and everyone honestly, the Malawians, no, Usha Omu defense, they were so organized. As compared to previous matches, I know more about no more defense, no air leak, you know. They were so organized. And now, Quack say 2 teams, no, or be any what me a penetrating the opponent, central defense, oh. And tonight game here, when 2 teams, no, be a try to obey you see wings. To once again, AUC, Alice Kusimono. No Munsu, you see. Someone Kaya Makana say me. No Munsu, you so. because nim say ono no gye ball a e asem de man e na ogye ball so a entimi ma Josephine Bonsu so ntimi mpushi tiama Josephine Bonsu ye quite silent wo game no because of that lady. Tiama Chemu said the reason in the first 2 matches well who know was the fact that O2 record them all mine 10,000 meters in our call. And rich the coach was so smart. Oh who baby again on bet me a head here. And o decided say or the ababa was some work no or the network and all that skill set no. And now you himself consistently say oh any anu mienu ya nma come was them the Chawenga sisters are. It was always going to be difficult for us. And till Saturday no me analysis now me man me biem say in as much as I mean say be attack you ye pa no. Yen say me enim ko yen defense ho because sa sisters no omunya yon be panise. Rich won say omu go no omu say apart from header no second goal no.
Omu mienu anso na because ya have.
Enedi ye usa. And it was a time when you committing more players up front too. So I make time when you push ya person yes second goal no. Etisi ye tiana. Omu wie and Rich honestly obi an o shake game no. O shem crofo ne ball no mo ba. The commitment on the pitch, the zeal to die for the nation. O show mo ball na Rich I was sure the time here there. Obeka se Malawi for mum na Ghana. As a team on mum abo competition na che. Na enwe nso ade ba kwa me say hu ni. Rich unim. Ade ba ko e very key. Preparations. E we ase ade bia wo ye bia. Prepare yourself very well. She before Malawi for competition we unim say no more about 19 friendly matches. Rich 19 friendly matches oh. Since February no more about 19 friendly matches. It's not a build on confidence level. No more about some level of telepathy. I want team. Now, Ghana a problem back and essential you. Oh, the number of 40 passes are near.
Coach is on my break.
And yet, Bre, yes, sir, competition nothing as have 40 passes. No, not a dead. And you coach in so nadia. Rich, even look at the changes he did. When him say changes in the kind of cool, you're really and only big. I don't know, your crown. All you those changes, I'm saying, radio. Changes no me wie kwa and I asked the Ghana second half who say I want attack on CD pa. No, this coach Rich say ofa Malawi team now fire your team and Nhyira nyamia no kwani. One say normally anka ya boy ordinarily you expect that and Quebec created those chances nanka Buadua Bobigu. But Nhyira the amasa how she was so silent because Nhyira those clear cut chances na aya na yenyan. Enti na nyam one say me patron mum first start nim to jana amount for her. Oh Ghana a shot on goal. It was just Rachel patron say
ball possession percentage wise. Yeah, ball 52, on ball 48.
But they were helping us.
Shot no. On ball 11, yeah, ball 9.
Yes.
Shot on target on ball 7, yeah, ball 2.
Yeah, ball 2. Then the carry throw. And to mum posha krana. Say no mo say any sir.
Touches in the opposition box.
Yeah, 11.
Yeah, 11. Only 8.
Big chances. Obianya
1-1. And big chances mixed. I'm proud of my message chance.
Richard, there be you may say back home.
Okay, I may say back home. My message chance.
No, say again, one can and critic clear cut chances. Acquire say, oh, yes, oh, yeah, and I game na near bono. Who study a bono now? Question OBS Ronnie uncle. Medford no na balance. Also normally the Ghana am I to dominate your opponents more. They say normally Grace Asantua enya born the head your pay.
Asantua no ni bobo.
Asantua yes, a bad your pay game.
There be a cut Porsche, but I think
no
the Asantua girl.
Any Jennifer Kujo
so bobo no
stability I the bad
football the ball running and the girl is very good.
And to the rich I am my young quite create chances more. But then when Asantua bobo no kana Malawi for no so Medford almost on here but so steady ya. No more my young quite bobo not to say a percent you dominate game no completely. It
was a game plan.
It was a game plan.
I'm game plan now. I'm a game plan in now and say I'm say yen. Player who pa on the head money na
Chantal. Yes, of course.
What I say. So make sure say Chantal in your ball na e niema mienu. Umba ne pass ne nko. Ana be foul no. It is all right. And not to say they na work no. There is no I am here.
Yes.
Pass ne nko.
There be enko.
Chantal je ball na because omu was on the kuta team no. And me two times, coachy, that ain't in a Bobia, was what the Masantan Sana. So, catch on almost some cakai.
And what I was expecting, say, because of Alice Kusi, you say again, say those runs now on the flanks, any side effective cross is too no, yeah. I was expecting some KB you saw no more. Richmond him on me, and KB try to be located.
I don't know did not head on the bar.
Exactly.
Later,
exactly. And him some no rather no. And then KB you see more in the game. I think that generally, Enra was so disappointing, and our coach clearly. From the start of the competition, BBA the dance because the mistakes are and one go so 40 passes, young goalkeeper do baby and who send a cake back on so say a mistake biom. 40 passes, bonsu mienu. At a point, one of our players on the first half 40 passes. I could count as many as 4.
Yes, sir, chances the tournament.
No, Rich, he is simply not good for us. I mean, this is a coach at you. For 2 years, we're a part of the team. We have the talent, we have the quality. And to reach, ordinarily, no, can I expect to say, oh, by now, baby, I kick a level, also a semblance of improvement. But Ghana team now, no, I have to wait our coin. Or the compare team, trust me, our coach is not good. Yes, there could be some issues though. Ebio Berry say, Namokrano Ghana Nankasano, your team no more preparations ye. Rich. Before the competition, ye cook a ball, pink ladies cap, so bekaya. Ye no Russia in England winning armor. Preparations by the chaser. Look, and then we are saying to Drew baby and Rich. Okay, so ye prepare all the same on your monim, sir. Prepare baby, no. A sign ma. Okay, as man or have to kind. No, I say, when demanded for Niama baby. Okay. Baby keep to be on San Kiamano because
man, there's okay because of Kasem.
Yes, Kasem. Rich, do you know the specific amount? But it was clear saying Kenya de Zambia. Almost Sikasa on bet me a fan or I ain't me fan. No, sometimes in Suti, young can champion for both FA and the ministry. Someone so disappointed here. I told I answer train kind of crunch down for because Suti one FA no one was a mama state no. And who said this coach paid the project I want no. You hear badly. Rich. The moment I explain your project, no, at the actual state,
now, paymasters who this car.
That's what I'm saying. Paymasters who this car. More ready say color squares, more than $100,000. More ready.
And then there's a binding.
More sika the Biana make us it you. And your state corner. Say state corner. State the because everything be pushy. Uti. And since I was me expecting some more at the end, so and we see a pussy. When himself come Malawi on. Omo national team sika ya de momo and one omo man so ya de momo baby omo ya de man and one omo ya de man no enti we do baby ayen so e man football no baby a man for so nya efe no omo nya mo a omo ye right ne say utie e bia yes obenya mo targets mo a omo ba mu ni ade but do baby a mo nso mo ma pass ne nkosoro saa rich pass so atma say because said you need pussy a Carlos Crest you say $100,000 or more cry betua no minim say no have to sika Andrew sir. And so no anka money state nenka because competition here say baby adri you bet me afim you nka say afim entirely derby you bebo a game against Cote d'Ivoire see Cote d'Ivoire you beko intercontinental playoff wait part what you say and no 6 teams ebeba ba behia 6 teams no dey tia ni say betem into 2 and tietem into 2 a wa be top you group no ensia de beba rich come be mo nyina de beba and you bet him into 2. You tell him into 2 hour top you group no automatically will qualify. But what they path then they say Ghana idea one kwakuchim. Shatai can idea one kwakuchim. Rich and the idea that says Cote d'Ivoire for me how matches or more even against Algeria me who ball rich says our ball tro kan ya buy ya bobo as dompeni na mu a ya gogo ya ho no. Ono mo boss type of ball na wo
rest kakra na Masaba wana abedi kotoko na Kofi Brackens
Richunze
coaching first off coaching
a combination of factors but there's one thing that we are not looking at
coaching
Jude if you don't have quality in the Black Queens
crowd we shall tell now
out of
then Portia
out of your 2 players your Black Queens near a couple game no yeah, WAFCON. Only 2. And about top league women. Only 2. Now, me Jeff the list of top leagues. And Madian, USA and Edikan. Then England comes second. So if you look at this list, 2 out of your 25 players are called WAFCON. And in the top leagues, out of 25, 2. Which, first of all, if you don't have your players competing at the top level consistently, forget. You can have an outlier like the Nigerians. Omulusu match against the Cameroonians and they are out and they have to go to the other route. But fine. But Nhyira and the Nigerian national team has been a Nigerian national team is that they can boast of at a point in time Asisa Shola, who was playing for Barcelona Femini. They can boast of ladies that were playing for Atletico Madrid, the Ma. Asisa Late free one or US of A league, you know, Madi, you know, and one ding chain Spain there. So that is the level we are talking about. We lack quality in the Black Stars. It's the number one thing that you have to look. And to be very honest with you, 2 now your Black Stars here so about top league. You know. You mention Chantel. Shani say, Okwa could detect 1. Then you go on and mention Sharon. Sharon is never good enough to play. Into 2 years on about top leagues now. They are not good enough to be able to play. Then go and talk of your best players. When you say Grisa Santoa, every Mexico, no team moe. So Grace is a very good player. But Rich, no matter how good you are, someone more consistently.
You're not attached to any.
And that level you suffer. And since you free Mexico, onya game moe. Then we be say, Posha watch at her age.
And at the point, which means born or keke cranko.
Yeah,
or keke crank.
She bought Posha Wachibo at her age. Who is a Posha Wachibo or Bonina or Mabo Bon or Bo DR Congo? No, it's tough for Posha Wachi. Imagine Posha Wachi was playing consistently in the US of A, in Spain, in England. The exposure she will get. It can go on about times 3, and that will help your team. So, Rich, for me, the biggest problem we've had in the Black Queens in the last few years has been the quality. Now, Jude makes a good point about the changes of Kemla's Baker Green. Which one and then if it be free bench, the quality on the bench is not good.
They are no.
Near Bo, ya kwanza go fast tell anya mecha about. Ya kwasa anya mecha so no. The exposure is not there. To bona intisi form sana kem, intisi form sana kem.
Princess needs your man.
Princess Malfono.
So you see the team quality, you know, sometimes you are good enough on the waffle level, but baby are born a con. Which we need to find ways to develop the talents, you know, the male talents. You know. Once you're looking at the female, we should look at the proper channel to develop the female talent.
Jude, sex miss Kotoko. The end of my memory, because I'm be like